Today I'm going to show you how to create tasks in ClickUp. Ladies and gentlemen, within ClickUp you need to make sure that you're in the right space. So over here on the left hand side you'll actually see that we've got quite a few different spaces that we can manage in one ClickUp account, and we're going to go into team space. Now within team space you'll see, just if you use this drop down menu, you'll have projects. Projects will have tasks in them, and tasks will have subtasks. So you can go into this projects over here and you can see this over here, and you can hit the plus icon into this project and we can click on create a task. Now another way of doing this is going into, for example, your board over here. And this is now our team space. We've got all of our projects and we have our tasks. Now you can click on the add task over here, or you can click on the top right hand side, and here you can also add a task. Now what you can do is give the task a name. So we're going to just say task 1. You need to add a description. You can also use their AI assistant to create a description there for you. You can add a to-do list. You can add assignees, due dates, priorities, tags, dependencies, subtasks, as I mentioned earlier on, and checklists. And then you can create custom fields right over here. You can also use a template. So if you go and click on use template, you can go in, view the templates, and then you can use that template to create your task. So over here you can see template types. It is now selected on task. So let's just say, for example, we want to use this one. We're going to now also say overwrite. So once that is done, you give it a few seconds to populate, and there it all is. That is your task. You can now go ahead and you can create and open a new task, or you can create and start another. Or you can create and duplicate this task if you want to have a similar task, so you can edit it after you've duplicated it. Once you have clicked on create, you will have your task in over here in your team space. You'll see also on the left hand side where exactly it is located.